Today we're doing 5 pieces on one 2-piece acrylic plastic glued to MDF. Then I'll cut it up afterwards. There they are, all complete. They have magnets on. Made a little stand. The wife wants to sell them in the farmer's market.